Hello everyone, today's video is all about Argo blockchain. Some big stuff coming out already at the weekend. I'm having to do this video, guys. You know I don't like to work at the weekends, guys, but I have to bring this to you, so let's go. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Yeah, coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not. What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope you are all friggin' well, guys. I'm feeling good. It's Saturday. I've got a big day planned. Food, drinks with my boys. Got a wee cheeky old school Man United top on. The reason being is the boys came home. Ronaldo is coming back today, guys. So today is a good day as far as I'm concerned in the McVeigh household. So yeah, anyone watching the United game, let me know. Anyone excited about Ronaldo? I know that's not what we talk about in this channel, but I'm buzzing, guys. I can't wait. Anyway, today's video, guys, the last video I covered was actually only 2 days ago from the time of recording. We talked about the GM, we talked about all the Q&A questions. Very good videos, guys, if I do say so myself. I'll share the link here. Go in, check them out. It is worthwhile doing that. If you're only new to Argo blockchain, they're a blockchain miner. They deal with all cryptocurrency related stuff to Bitcoin. Big catalyst coming with their West Texas site, which is going to be huge. We've also got the news of the NASDAQ, which brings me to my first point. In my previous video, I said, listening to the Q&A videos, I just felt there was a slight Easter egg. I told people about it. This is what I said.
You know, the off-rate process, you're not going to hear from me a ton between now and when that happens. So
that little snippet at the end, the way he kind of words it, you're not going to hear a lot from me between now and then. Anyone that follows Argo knows that Peter's not shy of the camera. He is very good at updating us with information. So to me, that's maybe an indication that perhaps it won't be too long to wait. Again, rumor, innuendo, speculation, my own thoughts, but was anyone else sort of feeling that way? So considering that video and my own thoughts there, we've got this. The Form F1, guys. Now, this has been blowing up. People that have been following on Twitter, Discord, there's been people saying that this is huge, big news. Now, I'm going to try and manage expectations. This is nothing too official. This is obviously official form. We talked about the Form F1 before. In the other videos, go in, check it out. But if we scroll down here, this is what people are getting really excited about. Okay, so this is an update, September the 10th. So this only came out yesterday. So it's not even 24 hours old at the time of recording. You scroll down here, what people are getting excited about is this. And bear in mind, this was all blank the last time we looked at it. Under the ARB and OTCQX best market under the symbol ARBKF on September 2021, the last reported sale price, and then it goes on. But what people are getting excited about is this word September, which makes you think that this is going to happen this month in the next few weeks. That's what the rumor and the innuendos are, guys. I would be lying to say I read this full document, and the reason I haven't read this full document is, as you can see, guys, let's just say there is a lot of pages to get through. I wonder what other changes are perhaps in this document. I'm bringing this to you because it's interesting. I'm going to share the link down below. You can go on and read this here. But look, you can see where I've been reading the dilution, the risk factors, the things that people are wary of. But if you go into this, guys, it's still all blank now. It does say in the dilution section, September. So there is changes throughout this. I need to get a good read of it, but there is a lot here. As I said, guys, Ronaldo's playing. I'm not reading this today, guys. You gotta have a break sometimes. And there is something brewing with Argo blockchain. And just for clarity, yesterday I did a video saying I've sold a lot of positions, and I have done that. But Argo blockchain, not 1 cent has been sold, not 1 penny has been sold. And that's the same with all my long-term holds that I promote in this channel, guys. I will tell you if I'm ever selling. I won't just do a generic video like that. But I did post underneath the video with the shares and stuff that I was doing. I'm trying to be transparent. But I am wary of the stock market. But with things like this and catalysts, guys, even if the market crashed tomorrow, news like this will get this thing pumping. But I don't deal in the rumor and innuendo. It doesn't necessarily mean that this is going to happen in September. I'm trying to manage my own expectations. I could be completely wrong. I'm really hopeful that this does mean September, but I'm still prepared for the end of the year. Anything other than that will be absolutely delightful. And also within this here, you can see Pluto, which I talked about in the previous video. You want me to do a video? I'm going to do a video this week. And I'm going to digest this here because there could be possible information in this here. You can see here about the total investment in the Pluto deal. I'm going to digest all of this, guys. I'm going to do a decent video for you, as all being well, on Pluto. There isn't a lot of information out there, so I will try my best to do what I can. Promise you this week, Might be Thursday by the time I get it out, but I will get that Pluto video out for you. It brings me to my next point, guys. I'm putting serious graft in here. And I know a lot of YouTubers have Discord groups and all this, and people have said to me, you know, they would like to buy me a drink or whatever. I don't know how to sort of take the channel to the next stage. It maybe is a Discord group. I have got one privately set up with a few very select people in it that you know, I trust, and we've been banging around ideas. YouTube has ways of promoting and different logos and stuff. I don't know, it feels a bit weird to me charging people, if you want to say that, or asking people to, you know, get a new logo. I might do it, I don't know what I'm doing, but in the meantime, I've seen a couple of YouTubers do this cool thing where you buy people coffees. I like that idea, so I'm going to, first time ever, guys, I'm going to ask you if you do find any of this informative, or you do like the channel and want to just, you know, support me a bit. I really do appreciate it. The link is down below to buy me a coffee. See how that goes, guys. Feels weird asking, but here, you know, everybody else is doing it, and supposedly this is what you should do, and I shouldn't be embarrassed about it. So yeah, thank you to anyone, no pressure. I'm not gonna talk anymore about the NASDAQ. It's all in the previous videos. We'll try to get more answers on the possible dilution. I do, if I've gone to the head, feel there will be some sort of dilution potentially around the 75 million listing when that happens. Wait to be seen. Either way, it's a long hold. This is all positive. This is all good news. Whatever short-term volatility, it's going to be fantastic in the long run, so I'm not worried. So the next bit of news, if we go on the Argo Blockchain's website, we can see yesterday this came out. Argo is pleased to announce that it entered in £18.05 million, which is about $25 million agreement, with a maturity date of the 29th of October 2021 with Galaxy Digital LP, using a proportion of Argo's BTC holdings as collateral. The proceeds of the loan will be used in conjunction with the funds raised by the company previously to continue the build out of company's West Texas data center. The loan will enable Argo to retain its Bitcoin holding whilst further expanding its mining operations. Argo is delighted to continue working with Galaxy as its financing partner. Now, don't forget, back in June, we also had the agreement that they raised about 20 million. So this is quite a large, substantial amount of money now. They're taking the financing deal with. We talked about potentially using the Bitcoin as collateral, so they're not taking out loans. But I also did talk about the fact that all the big companies, Apple, Amazon, they're all taking out huge loans at these low interest rates to grow their business. Knowing what we know about Bitcoin, they did sell a bit of 60 coins over a week or so ago, at the peak, sort of in around the 50,000 mark. Pros and cons to that. Obviously, not a bad price for Bitcoin now, but if Bitcoin's going to go where we think it's going to go, especially when I done my video the other day and we talked about the mining process, we talked about the phases. Again, I'll share the link here. It's a 3-minute video, guys. It's worth watching if you don't really understand how Bitcoin's going to work. I would recommend that. Obviously, Bitcoin's going to be considerably higher holding long. Now, we know Argo's holding over 1,000 coin right now, so 60 is relatively small, and I'm okay with that, but I think taking the loan out is better for the business in the long term. So I'm happy with this loan. Not going to read no more about it. High level enough video today, guys. That's it. I really do appreciate everyone supporting the channel. It really does help me out. So if you do like what you're seeing, please like, subscribe, leave a few comments down below. Like I said, are you as excited about Ronaldo? Are you excited about Argo? Leave any comments down below. I will try to respond to them. But the comments are starting to ramp up now. So if I don't get back to you straight away, I will try my best to get back to you soon as possible. And final, guys, down in the link below where you can buy me a coffee. You can also get free links to free trade, which will give you free shares up to £200. Guys, appreciate you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will catch you with the Pluto video later in the week.
Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.